So in this video, I'm also going to share with you guys how the flower arrived, because these are all fresh flowers and roses, how they arrive, what you need to do in order for them to open up this beautifully, and also my tutorial on how to create the weather centerpieces. Hopefully this video is helpful for a lot of brides to be out there. With no further ado, let me share with you guys how these roses arrived. So here I am unboxing the roses that come in these lovely boxes, very well packaged. So this is what the flowers look like on the inside. It comes with this lovely instruction and flower care sheet. Also comes with the roses powder for the water, and it's just all well packaged. Look how green this looks, just absolutely beautiful. So I got a couple of different kinds of greeneries so you guys can kind of see, and I'll be using these in a flower arrangement. I absolutely love greenery. These flowers are so fresh, they smell so good. And as soon as you get your flowers, you want to put them in a cool place and open them up as soon as possible so we can put them in water and hydrate them. So here you can see the flower powders and all the different kinds of greeneries. They come in excellent and perfect condition, super fresh.